Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Sam's Club card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Sam's Club card, first, locate your membership card. You should have received your card either in your welcome packet or through email if you enrolled online. Ensure you have your personal identification handy, as you may need it during the activation process. Visit the Sam's Club website or use the Sam's Club mobile app. If using the website, look for the sign-in option in the upper right corner. Log into your account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account yet, select Create Account and follow the prompts to register. Once logged in, navigate to the membership section of your profile. Here, find the option labeled Activate Membership. Select this option to begin the activation process. If you prefer activating over the phone, call the number provided on the back of your card. Follow the automated instructions to enter your card details. After you have entered the necessary information, confirm your activation. In a few moments, you'll receive a confirmation message either on the website or through your phone call. If you face any issues, contact Sam's Club customer service for assistance. Once activated, your card will be ready for use at any Sam's Club location. Ensure you keep your card in a safe place for future visits. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of your Sam's Club membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.